Hi, I'm Sierra from Imagineif Libraries, and today I will show you how to use bookshelves and write a review in Goodreads. To learn about signing up and getting started, see our previous video. The link is in the description. After you've logged in, your home page will appear. This screen has what you're currently reading, your reading challenge, and your want to read on the left-hand side. Then we have curated recommendations in the middle, and news and interviews on the right. If you've added friends, updates from them will also appear. You can scroll down to see more of these. Now let's click on My Books. I love to recommend books to people, but whenever someone asks for a suggestion, my mind goes blank. For that reason, I use bookshelves to keep track of different kinds of books. Right now, I've only made two, Very Best Ever and Family Friendly. Let's make a new shelf. To do this, click this button. We'll type a new shelf title in here. I've written Funny Stories. I'll add a title from my All shelf to Funny Stories. To add The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, I'll select Edit and check the Funny Stories box on the drop-down menu. I already have it in Very Best Ever, and now it's in Funny Stories too. I want to show one more thing you can do from your bookshelves, how to write a review. To do this, click here. I just realized this isn't the edition I read, so I'll select Change Edition and choose the right one, here. Alright, here we are. I wrote a glowing review, and I added this last part to show you how to hide a spoiler. Any words enclosed inside these tags will be hidden in the review. A person can only read them if they click on them. Make sure you write these tags exactly, or they won't work. I scrolled down and clicked Post. And here it is. Now you know how to make a new bookshelf, choose a different edition, and write a review with hidden spoilers. Thanks so much for watching.